Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create text that doesn't overlap with each other using the text object and the setText method. And here's an example of it not working. So as you can see, it's overlapping and we don't want that. And here, as you can see in my Python shell, it's showing the points of where I'm clicking at. And that's just using the get mouse method. Now, this is what it looks like when it works. If you look at here, it is changing and it's not overlapping at all. Now, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to create a text object, and just creating one text object, we're going to keep on replacing the text using the setText method. So first what we want to do is import Graphics.py. And to work with Graphics.py, first you need to download the source code. So you just search up Graphics.py or Graphics.py. The first link should be this, the source code. And all you need to do is press Ctrl S and save it in the same location where your your Python program is. And then the second link should be the reference, so it shows all the things you could do, and it looks like this. And okay, so once you have that, then we could create our window. So here I have the basic structure of what a program should have at the start. So if I run this, it'll run the program and it's printing the points in the shell, and that's what I want. But now when I press X, it gives me an error. And this error occurs because it is trying to get a point, because you've told it to try and get a point, but you've already closed the window. So it causes an error because there is no point in the closed window, or you can't get a point in the closed window. So to fix this, you just add a try and except. So while the window is open, you're going to try and get a point. If you can't get a point because it's closed, then you just close the window. So if you close the program, then the window will close. That's what it's saying. And if we do this, it will do that and press X and no crash. Perfect. Now we're going to build a text object. Now usually you would want a string here, whatever you want to type, but in this case I want to print the point as it is, so then I'll just put the point there. And then don't forget to draw it, and draw it in the window, which is what we've made here. So we want to print it in the window. So we open this, run it, and there you go. But now it's overlapping, and that's what you're here for. So let's do that. Okay, so to do this, we're going to do another while loop, and I'll explain everything later. Okay, so here I have a variable set to a Boolean true, so then when it goes to the while loop, it checks if it's true, which it is, then it's gonna loop, and then it's gonna get a point, and it's gonna replace the current text that's already been drawn from here. So since there is no condition to break this loop, then it's gonna keep going on forever, unless of course you close the window. And yeah, this should work. And there you go. It works now, and there you go. Perfect.